In this video, we're going to talk about how did I unshadow-ban myself on TikTok. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's talk about this, the unshadow banning on TikTok. Now, before I dive into this and share with you a couple of very simple things I did to unshadow ban myself, TikTok has said this several times. There is no such thing as shadow banning. A lot of people think that if their views are down, they're not growing as fast on TikTok or any other platform. They feel like they're shadow banned, and platforms like TikTok have said several times there is no such thing. Anyways, let's go back to I had been going through the same phase of very low views and no consistent growth on TikTok. And there were simple changes, and there are two changes I made, and we're gonna talk about those in a second. But let me share with you, we're gonna go to analytics, and by the way, you can check your TikTok analytics on desktop. So let's go to analytics, and we're gonna go to the overview tab, and this is the data for 7 days. Let's switch to 28 days, and you'll see. So look, recently I've had, look at that. Let's also match this. So recently I've been getting really high views. So look at this right here, and this phase today's May 22nd, so last like week or so, really high views. But look at before that, nothing, right? So this is the period what a lot of people say that they're shadow banned, right? And even before that, I didn't have, my average was pretty low compared to recently. So what have I done in last like 10 or so days? So I did two things. So let's go back to my account now and share with you. So if you watch my content, I'm a huge fan of hashtag ABT, always be testing. So what I did was two things. Number one was I used to make very short content. So I started making long videos, longer than 15 seconds on TikTok. And the second is I always use like niche and specific hashtags, and guess what? I stopped using hashtags. So longer videos and no hashtags was the trick or the tactic I used to test and see if I can get more views or quote unquote unshadow ban myself. And guess what? It worked. So let's look at some of this data. Let's look at this video right here. It was posted on May 13 and 77,000 views. I believe this is around when I started this experiment. So let's look at the data. First thing, look at this, no hashtags, right? And then let's look at the analytics and look at how long this video is. So it's 28 seconds. In the past, I've always created content 15 seconds, 10 seconds, like really short. But I wanted to test long videos or longer videos and also no hashtags. And then most of the traffic came from For You page and also from the United States. Another observation I've had recently is in the past, most of my traffic always came from the country where I live, which is United States. But recently I'm seeing traffic also coming from other places, UK, Canada, something like Philippines. So maybe there's something changing inside TikTok's algorithm. But let's look at some other videos too. Look right here, another one, no hashtags. Another one, no hashtags. So I went really heavy on this. Let me go back maybe a month or two and show you how I always used to. I was really big on hashtags, and I've stayed consistent with hashtags for a very long time. So look, hashtags, 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 hashtags. In the past, I have probably, to do some experiments, skipped hashtags on 1 or 2 videos, but this time I really, for a week or maybe like 10 days, I completely changed my strategy, and I did the opposite of what I was doing. Because, I don't know who said this, but if something is not, doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results, that's kind of crazy, right? So there you go, guys. Those are the two things I did to sort of like change or unshadow ban myself or change my TikTok views and growth. And I'm gonna keep experimenting. This doesn't mean I'm always gonna create long videos. Actually, today, just 21 minutes ago, this video that I made, it's a really short video, only like I believe 7 seconds or 8 seconds. But I'm gonna keep experimenting, and that's my main message with this video. Hashtag ABT, always be testing. If you feel like you are not getting the results, the growth, or the views on TikTok or Instagram, change it. Use different hashtags, stop using hashtag. If you create short videos, create long videos. If you create long videos, create short videos. Change your style of content. If you do tutorials, then do maybe entertaining videos, right? So change it up. That's the message I want to give you in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave those below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video.